Number 5 is going to require you to remember a formula, and it's going to require you to remember how to use the formula. It's dealing with the XY plane. The XY plane crosses the y-axis at 0, 3 and passes through point 4, 5. So what you have to do to figure this out is substitute the x and y of the coordinates for the xy in the equation. Now, what equation am I talking about? I'm talking about y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b is going to be the equation that you use anytime you're dealing with coordinates. So what I decided to do, if you will, look at the way this first one is written. This 3 represents the 3 right here. This 0 represents the 0 right here. So all I did was I substituted the 3 and the 0 in place. Then I solved the problem. 1/2 times 0 is 0, so I end up with 3 equals 3. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. I put maybe next to it because I wanted to know if this was going to work as the answer to my problem. So now I'm going to look at this one. Y equals 2x plus 3. Again, y is 3, x is 0. So when I multiply this out, I end up with 3 equals 3. I put maybe next to that also. This one here, same steps. I put the 0 in place of the x, the 3 in place of the y. And what I end up with is 3 equals -4. That does not work because these two do not equal the same thing. I got the same answer for this possibility, where when I put the 3 and the 0 in, I ended up with 3 equals -4. So that didn't work either. So now I know that, that option 1 and option 2 are both possibilities. So the other thing that I have to do, go back to the original problem. The original problem said that what we were trying to do is we were trying to figure out if both of these would work. So I've narrowed it down to 2 choices with the 0 and 3. Now I'm going to substitute the 4 and the 5. So again, here's where I'm putting my 5. Here's where I'm putting my 4. And when I do this math, what I end up with is 5 equals 1/2 times 4 plus 3. 1/2 times 4 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is going to work. This is going to be my answer. The other option that I had was 2x plus 3. When I put 5 in place here and 4 in place here, I end up with an 8 plus 3, which is 11. This one does not work. So the system of equations that works to solve this problem is actually the system of equations that go with the 1/2 x plus 3. Y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Because with both of these equations, I have an answer that works. So to solve this, I'm going to have to use both of the possible answers that they give me, and I'm going to use both of the potential points that they give as well.